mini roundabouts then. So what are the signs for the mini roundabouts?
That one.
Good. Okay. Now how many? This is very important. This is what we call either double mini roundabout or twin mini roundabouts. So yeah, you have got two roundabouts very quickly. Talking about the first roundabout, not this one, just this one. You driving the white car there. If you look over here, this red car signaling.
Down that way.
And this car is signaling.
Left.
Is this car signaling?
No.
Is this car signaling?
No.
So how come everybody else signaling apart from them too? Any idea why is that?
Straight.
So now this is unofficially, by the way.
Okay.
Because people are going to be watching my video, they make the big fuss sometime. Unofficially, it's very simple. On a mini roundabout, by not giving a signal, they're kind of telling you that they are going straight. Because usually if it's a major roundabout, you're supposed to go from here and you signal left. Any idea why you don't signal on a mini roundabout? What is the reason for that?
You don't have enough time to cancel your signals.
That's one thing. You don't really enough have space to do multitasking as well. So because of you not losing your control, you don't need to signal basically. Okay. Now this roundabout while we're here for you on an A car, because we done the T, this is a closed view roundabout or a open view roundabout? Why do you think is open?
There's nothing blocking your view.
Okay, so that's one thing, you're right. Or also you could say there is no road on the right. So you're kind of looking ahead.
Yeah.
Now as you're approaching, you're looking ahead. What is this car is doing?
He's signaling down there.
So is this car coming into your danger zone?
Yeah.
What would you do then?
Just wait.
You stop and wait for them. Good. Okay, let's say this car is going straight. But as you're going, you have to glance your left to demonstrate you. But this car is coming. Would you wait for them?
He should wait for you. So you should probably just go.
Correct. You go. So you need to glance to the left just for the safety, but they should give you the way.
Yeah.
But do glance though. Now what if this car is going straight, but this car about here, second car, who's indicating going there? Two cars rule. Would you wait for the other car or would you go?
Wait.
Yeah, you can wait, but also assess the speed. If this car is going too slow, maybe you can go. It's going too fast, then you don't want to risk it. Okay, does it make sense?
Yeah.
Now let's talk about this roundabout. So you are the learner car now and you are turning right. So I'm going to put my thumb over there. Imagine you got a building over there. Now for this car, is this an open or closed view roundabout now? It's closed. Yeah. So what you're going to be doing over there in this case?
You'd be stopping at the line.
And what is the forward we normally use? MSPSL, start from L. LA.
Sorry, you say letters to me.
Remember we did last time, when there was a closed view, we stop and we do what?
Looking.
L.
Yeah.
A. D. I'll give you LADA. What's the meaning of LADA? Forgot?
Yes.
Look.
Yeah.
Assess, decide, and then act.
Okay.
Because a closed view. What if I move my thumb and now it's become an open view? So as you can see now, there's no cars coming from the right. But there's a car who wants to go straight now. Would you wait for this car to go or would you still go? What do you think?
Wait for him.
You wait for him. Okay. Now if I turn this around, so you are driving this car and I'm driving this car. What would you do?
Just go.
You would go.
Yeah.
But is that red car, is it not coming into your danger zone?
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah.
Let me turn this around now.
Yeah. No, yeah.
So let me ask you this question again. You're turning right. He's going straight. He's not coming into your danger zone. And nobody coming from your right. Would you wait or would you go?
You can go. Yeah.
You see how easily done, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's very important because a lot of people, what they do, they start looking ahead and they get confused and they don't have a confidence what to do. He's not signaling going
that way
around, but you are signaling to going in, and as long as there's no car coming from here, you can go. However, if there's a car here and he or she is not signaling, and you are here, you're looking at right first, he's not signaling, then what would you do?
Wait.
Well done. Why you think you would wait?
So you don't know if they're going left or right.
That's it.
Yeah.
Because you don't know if they're going left or right. Excellent work. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Any confusion on this?
No.